In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello to Google Drive. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and keep your files and tasks organized in one place, integrating Trello with Google Drive is a game changer. This integration allows you to attach files, create new Google Docs, Sheets, or slides, and even link entire folders to your Trello cards, making collaboration and file management effortless. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have everything set up and ready to go, so let's dive in and get started. First, open Trello and navigate to the specific board where you'd like to enable the integration. This could be a personal board, a team board, or any board you're working on. Once you're on the board, look to the top right corner of your screen there. You'll see a small rocket ship icon. This is the Power-Ups menu. Click that icon to open it. When the Power-Ups menu appears, you'll see a search bar at the top. In this search bar, type Auto Google Drive. As soon as it pops up in the results, click Add to enable the integration for your board. This step activates the Google Drive Power-Up, but we still need to configure it. Now, return to the top right corner of your board and open the Power-Ups panel again by clicking on the rocket ship icon. From the list of enabled Power-Ups, locate Google Drive and click on the Settings option next to it. This will open the configuration settings for the integration. In the Settings menu, select Edit Power-Up Settings. This is where you'll link your Google account to Trello. Click the option that says Link Google Drive Account. At this point, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Google account. Enter your login credentials and follow the prompts to log in. Once signed in, you'll be asked to grant Trello permission to access your Google Drive files. This is an important step to allow Trello to interact with your files and folders. If you use multiple Google accounts, make sure to select the account that contains the files you'd like to work with. Once you've granted permission, you're ready to start attaching files to your Trello cards. To test the integration, open any Trello card on your board. Scroll down to the Power-Up section on the back of the card. Here you should see a button labeled Google Drive. Click this button to access the integration options. From the options that appear, you can choose to attach an existing file from your Google Drive, create a new document, spreadsheet, or presentation, or even link an entire folder. Select the option that suits your needs. For example, if you choose to attach an existing file, you'll be able to browse your Google Drive, select the file you want, and confirm your choice. Once the file or folder is attached, you'll see a preview of it directly on the Trello card. This makes it easy to confirm that everything is linked correctly. To open the file, simply click on the preview. It will open in a new tab, allowing you to work on the file without leaving Trello. And that's it. You've successfully connected Trello to Google Drive. This integration makes it so much easier to manage your tasks and files in one place. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.